Today, finally, we're launching GPT-5, a significant step along our path to AGI. It is useful, it is smart, it is fast, and it's intuitive. Now it's like talking to an expert, a legitimate PhD level expert in anything, any area you need on demand that can help you with whatever your goals are.
GPT-5 is able to predict the outcomes of experiments that we haven't even done. That saves us weeks, sometimes months. Fundamentally, it will change the way we do science. I think GPT-5 takes that to another level. Now I'm interacting with a model that knows more than me on my own field. It's beyond collaborator, it's almost like a mentor. Recently, I gave GPT-5 an experiment about some immune cells that are engineered to recognize cancer cells. And we had beautiful data, but we couldn't figure out what it meant. So I uploaded this to GPT-5, and it not only suggested things that we later on performed, but also remarkable new insights. It even suggested follow-up experiments. In science, the number of things you can try are almost unlimited. So if GPT-5 can suggest the right approach, instead of trying 1,000 things, you will try maybe 10 things, and everything will progress much faster. It's tremendous for brainstorming. It's back and forth, being able to critique my own ideas and then come up with new ideas. That's the best I can ask for from a collaborator. I think GPT-5 will help the patients to advocate for themselves, and I think that will empower the patients to feel more confident when they talk to their doctors. I don't think I have been this emotional using AI model before. Now I'm 100% sure that we're going to achieve all the things that we imagine.